This question says simplify 2 root 55 over root 11. The idea here, if you've got a surd and you've got a square root in the bottom line or a surd on the bottom line, is you multiply the top and the bottom by that square root. Now, if you do that, first of all, if you have root of a times root of a, where a is any number, then root of a times root of a just gives you a. So in the bottom line, it just becomes 11. Now the top line, it's going to become 2 root 55, root 55 times root 11. Now we need to tidy that up, otherwise it'll get quite tricky. So the root 55 could become, let's just look at it, root 55 could become root of 5 times root of 11. So let's just write it that way. So that's now 2 root of 5 times root of 11, and then that's times the root of 11. And we know that root of 11 times root of 11 is just 11. So it's 2 root 5 times 11. That's all divided by 11. So what can happen? You can see here, the 11 on top cancels with the 11 on the bottom, leaving you just an answer of 2 root 5. Okay, that's one way of doing it. Another way you could do it is what you could do at the very start, and this is a nicer way to do it for this particular question, is you could just change your root 55 at the start to be root 5 times root 11, and then it is being divided by root 11. So you can see in this particular one you could just cancel that out, which again would give you 2 root 5. So this method here is definitely the better one, but in general, if you're rationalizing a denominator, you would multiply the top and bottom by whatever the square root is on the bottom line.